Hi friends, how are you? Hope all you are fine. Today let us know about the Triple R movie, a short and brief story. It's a magnificent Telugu language movie which won the Oscar award. Today, before we going to that story, please subscribe my channel Maranatha Teacher. So let us know about the story. Triple R. Triple R means rise, roar and revolt. Rise, roar and revolt. This is the short form of rise, roar, revolt is Triple R. Triple R, the Telugu language Indian action epic short for rise, roar, revolt, has returned to US theaters for an exceptional one-night only engagement on June 1st following its initial theatrical release. Some hindsight has made it easy to guess why writer and director Sri S.S. Rajamouli has only now broken through to Western audiences with Triple R despite his consistent box office success. Rajamouli's latest is an anti-colonial fable and buddy drama about the imaginary combo of two real-life freedom fighters, Komaram Bhim, N.T. Ramarao Jr. and Alluri Sitaramraju Ramcharan. Triple R is also a fine showcase for Rajamouli's characteristic focus on maximalist action choreography, overwhelming stunt work and pyrotechnics and sophisticated computer graphics. Triple R, an epic tale of friendship, resistance and revolution. Introduction. Released in 2022, Triple R Rise, Roar, Revolt, directed by the visionary filmmaker S.S. Rajamouli, is an Indian Telugu language epic action drama that takes cinematic storytelling to grand, unprecedented heights. Set in the 1920s during the era of British colonial rule in India, the film presents a fictional account of two real-life Indian revolutionaries, Alluri Sitaramraju and Komaram Bhim, weaving a tale of friendship, resistance and sacrifice. Unprecedented heights. Set in the 1920s during the era of British colonial rule in India, the film presents a fictional account of two real-life Indian revolutionaries, Alluri Sitaramraju and Komaram Bhim, weaving a tale of friendship, resistance and sacrifice. With jaw-dropping visuals, exhilarating action and an emotionally charged narrative, Triple R captures the imagination and hearts of its audience while delivering a powerful commentary on colonial oppression. Background and setting. Triple R takes place against the backdrop of British-ruled India, where the people of the country suffer under the tyranny of colonial powers. The narrative focuses on two key characters, Komaram Bhim, played by N.T. Ramarao Jr. and Alluri Sitaramraju, played by Ramcharan. While both are real historical figures, the film reimagines their lives in a fictionalized world where their paths cross, leading to an extraordinary tale of brotherhood and rebellion. The two heroes, coming from vastly different backgrounds, are united by their shared commitment to liberating India from British rule. Bhim, a tribal leader from the Gond community fights for the freedom of his people, while Raju, an undercover officer in the British forces, secretly nurtures revolutionary ideals. The film's narrative structure is built around the intertwining of their personal missions, which culminates in a climactic and emotional struggle for freedom. Komaram Bhim is introduced as a fearless leader of the Gond tribe living in a remote forest in the Adilabad region. The film's inciting incident occurs when British Governor Scott Buxton, played by Ray Stevenson, and his cruel wife Catherine Buxton, played by Alison Doody, visit the village and forcibly take away a young girl named Malli, who belongs to Bhim's tribe. Malli is taken to Delhi to be raised as a servant for the British, representing the brutal exploitation of India's indigenous populations. Bhim, committed to rescuing Malli, sets out on a dangerous journey to Delhi. His mission is not only to free the girl but also to protect his people from further oppression. His character represents the unrelenting spirit of resistance and the lengths to which ordinary individuals are willing to go to defend their communities. Bhim is portrayed as an embodiment of raw physical strength, courage, and deep empathy for the oppressed. Alluri Sitaramaraju's dilemma: duty versus revolution. Alluri Sitaramarazu, on the other hand, is an officer working within the British police force, though he harbors a deep resentment towards colonial rule. His goal is to infiltrate the British ranks, rise through their system, and eventually seize access to the weapons Kachi needed to arm his people for a rebellion. He is a man torn between his duty as a loyal officer and his secret revolutionary aspirations. Raju's character is shaped by a tragic backstory that fuels his desire for revenge and freedom. He is driven by the memory of his father, who was killed while fighting against British forces. To honor his father's legacy, Raju undertakes a long and painful journey, enduring hardship and betrayal to gather the necessary power to overthrow the British. The bond of brotherhood, a central conflict. The heart of RRR lies in the unlikely and powerful friendship between Bhim and Raju. Fate brings them together during an incident on a riverbank where they work together to save a boy caught in a raging fire. This heroic act cements a bond between the two and they become fast friends. Unaware of each other's true identities or allegiances, Raju, as part of his mission for the British, has been tasked with capturing Bhim, whom the British see as a dangerous threat. But Bhim, unaware of Raju's role, sees him as a trusted ally. This friendship is portrayed with great emotional depth, showcasing the conflict between loyalty to one's friend and loyalty to one's mission. As the story progresses, both men are forced to confront the truth about one another, leading to a devastating rift in their relationship. The dramatic tension arises when Bhim is captured and Raju faces an agonizing moral dilemma. Should be continue his duty as a British officer and betray his friend, or should be embrace his revolutionary ideals and join Bhim in the fight for freedom, sacrifice and redemption. The climactic battle. The turning point in the story occurs when Raju realizes that his personal mission for revenge and liberation cannot be achieved without first standing up for the immediate cause. Bhim's fight to rescue Malli and protect his tribe. Raju abandons his role within the British police and finally reveals his true identity as a revolutionary to Bhim. The two men reconcile and unite in their shared mission to fight against colonial tyranny. The film's climax is a breathtaking battle sequence that highlights the sheer scale of the resistance. Raju and Bhim, now working together, launch a full scale assault on the British forces to free Malli and liberate other captives. The action sequences are epic in scope, featuring high octane chases, explosions, and hand to hand combat that showcase the indomitable spirit of the two revolutionaries. The combination of emotional stakes and action-packed sequences make the final act of Triple R a cathartic conclusion to the hero's journey. Themes of friendship, freedom, and resistance. At its core, Triple R explores timeless themes of friendship, loyalty, and the fight for justice. The bond between Raju and Bhim serves as the emotional foundation of the film, illustrating how even the deepest of connections can be tested by conflicting duties and ideals. Their friendship is ultimately a metaphor for unity in the face of oppression, showing how individuals from different walks of life can come together for a greater cause. Another key Another key theme is the portrayal of colonial oppression and the resilience of the Indian people. The film presents a vivid depiction of the brutality of British rule, exemplified by the kidnapping of Malli and the exploitation of Indian labor and resources. However, Triple R also celebrates the strength and courage of those who resist such oppression, offering a story of hope and defiance. Conclusion. Triple R is a cinematic masterpiece that combines historical fiction, larger than life action, and emotional storytelling to deliver an unforgettable narrative about friendship and revolution. The film's grandeur, both in terms of its visual spectacle and its narrative depth, sets it apart as one of the most significant films in Indian cinema. Through its portrayal of two legendary figures, Alluri Sitaramraju and Komaram Bhim, Triple R honors the spirit of resistance and the timeless fight for freedom. Friends, here you can imagine the Telugu Indian movie, what it reached its success to the Oscar award, because you know that song Natu 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 song. Triple R won Oscar at the 2023 Academy Awards for Best Original Song for the song Natu 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 Natu. The song's composer M.M. Keerwani and lyricist Chandra Bose accepted the award on stage. The song's performance received a standing ovation and inspired dance trends on social media. Triple R was also recognized at the 2024 Oscars, where the film's action sequences were featured in a montage and the song Natu Natu was played on stage. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.